welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. And it's not a really good day for Dwayne as he seemed to be sick. And he's just explaining himself to his people, letting them know that basically he will be all right and what he went through over the past couple of days, why he was not on social media. And he's saying that, like, when everything is good with him, he would basically come out and talk about it. So when things are bad, then he would like to do the same and not feel any way about it. And he's saying that he knows that people will come out and try to bash him, but something for people to bash him about. It's him being sick. And so people should be more, more caring and more sensitive to the situation itself and bypass everything else and just look at the situation that's at hand. Because sickness is something that we can't really shake. And everyone at some point in their lives will, get sick. So I'm extending get well soon to Dwayne, and I hope everything will be okay soon, and that you will get back to your normal self as soon as possible. Get well. So just watch a video and see what he has to say about this, and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful day.
I tell you guys things when I'm good, and I don't come out here and tell people things so they can try and mock me with it or other things. You know how they are. Can be very bitter, very hateful. Thank you, Yolanda. I know. I believe so too. Listen, whenever you guys see Sharon, tell Sharon I was gonna tell her, but I didn't want to worry her. Cause see that Sharon, as much as people speak negatively about her, trust me, Sharon is a real one. Sharon is so real. Like, she's so real. She's real. And I will always appreciate her. Always. I'm still feeling the effects of the drugs. Not drugs that people consume, medical drugs. I don't do drugs. So I don't want anyone to go around with any false narrative that I'm drugged up. Medical drugs. They gave me a lot of fentanyl. Do you guys know what fentanyl does to you? They gave me a lot of fentanyl and other medicines to sedate me. That's the thing. I slept so much. I slept so much, right? I slept so much. Even on my way home, I slept. And I had to come my life because I haven't been on my life in like 2 days. So I listen, even my mom said I shouldn't come out and tell you guys anything so soon. I'm like, no, I'm gonna go tell them. Whoever wants to use it to bash me, then go right ahead. That's gonna show you. That's gonna show the type of human you are. The person you are. Whoever wants to use it to bash me, that's something you do your thing. I don't really care. I'm good. I always take my medication on time. Always. Even today, my blood pressure was so elevated. Like my mom was like, it's because I'm too worried. And then I calmed down and it came good. They did it like 3 times they did it. And on the third one, it came in better than the first 2. I know this is not how you guys are used to me talking. Like I'm very like loud and extra and just very, 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 very extra. But now because I'm under the influence of the fentanyl, yeah, you guys get it. And by no means this is me coming out here to seek any form of pity, because one thing I would not do is seek pity from people. I don't. Nor do I want anyone's. No, I don't want your pity. I'm only telling you guys because I wanted to update you guys. I wanted to update my audience why I didn't come alive, and nothing else. I'm not looking sympathies. I'm not looking pity. I'm not looking none of the above. Treat me how you always treat me, like a dog. Most of you. Yeah. I like that. I like that more. Because then I can go and I can act a fool too. And I can gallivant and act out. So don't treat me differently. Don't say that, Teresa. Don't say that. Don't say that. You're fine. You'll be fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, guys. I said I'm fine. I'm fine. Dwayne, please don't take social media too serious. To me, social media, exactly. That's I take social media. I social media to me is only for fun and jokes, and I don't come on here for nothing else. I'm good. I'm good. Yes, it's fun to do the gossip because I get a lot of laughs out of it. And it makes me feel normal. It makes me feel really, really normal. Like a lot of you, I'm sure, you are going from there to there to there to there. But I mean, if I don't come on social media, the world don't really see me. Because I stay to myself. I've become an introvert. I've become an introvert. And honestly, I like my life this way. It's less hassle, it's less stress. Could I do better? Absolutely. Only when the time is right. I'm you know when I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start swimming. I was encouraged today by my nurses to start swimming, so I'm gonna start swimming. Oh, and also I'm not gonna have sugar or salt, and I'm gonna have less carbs. I'm going on I want to lose weight. Oh, and my health, whatever happened wasn't because of weight. So I want you guys to know it's nothing to do with that, nothing. But for my own peace of mind and for me to feel good about myself, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do some weight thing and change up a lot of things about my diet. Yeah, I need to get a membership first. Because if I get a membership, I'm sure it's gonna be cheaper. I don't know if I wanna go to Edmonton or Tottenham. I'm gonna figure it out though. This is why I love Jamaica, because when I'm in Jamaica, I'm so active, and I do a lot of swimming. I do so much swimming. I'm in Jamaica. Maybe I need to go to Jamaica for like a whole year, but I won't. I'm gonna stay here and get some things in order first. I used to do water aerobics. I used to do that, but then I was recommended onto it, and the thing only lasted like 5 weeks. About 5 weeks. It lasted about 5 weeks, and then I had to move on to greener pastures. Praise the Lord, I live in Great Britain then. You see, this is why I would never not be patriotic to Great Britain. I'll never. My consultants are amazing, my doctors are amazing, and my nurses are even more amazing. Amazing people. I would take one too, but guess what, Yolanda? You I would struggle to get out. So I just have showers. It's easier. I'm sorry if you guys are hearing my washing machine in the back. My mom put some clothes in it, and now it's starting to act damn full. Maybe I should go and turn it off. But then again, I don't want to fall. So I'm gonna sit right here, and when it ends, it just ends on its own. Every time I go in the hospital, I keep these as a souvenir to remind myself of how far I've come. Has anyone seen Sharon? Can someone please tag Sharon? Tag Sharon with kids for me, please. Maybe she's over here. I don't know. Maybe she's listening and no, I don't know. If one of you can tag her, please. Obviously, are you friends with Sharon? If so, please tag her. Yolanda, did you block Sharon?